Did you know that your shoulders play a key role in your ability to balance? So it's incredibly important that we have strong shoulders. And today we have a quick lunch break yoga sequence that you can do in the middle of your day while at work. What will you need? A desk and a chair. Let's begin seated in your chair. Let your eyes close. Let's do a little check-in. So first, find your feet. How do they feel? Really feel them connected with the earth. Travel up the legs and feel your seat connected with the chair. And then notice if your sitting bones, are you sitting in front of them, behind them? And reorganize yourself so that you're right on top of your sitting bones. Lift up and in through your low back muscles and your belly. Shoulder blades on the back, chest is broad. You can take your palms face up now in between your knees and your thighs. Allow those shoulders a little bit more freedom. Your head is on straight, reaching through the crown of the head. As you feel your sitting bones rooting down nice and deep. Listening for any messages that are there for you from your body. And then you can keep your eyes closed or open them. If you have more time, I invite you to do this yoga video 3 times in a row and then comment down below letting us know, how did it work for you? I can't wait to hear. Let's get into our neck and shoulders a little bit more, turning your head to the right slowly. Just see how far it will go. Inhale, center, and then over to the left. Notice if your shoulders want to help, and then go back to center. Let's take our head and tilt it over to the right. And then look down, over to the right. Slowly looking back to center, and then coming back up to the middle. Over to the left. With the head tilted left still, turn your head to look down at the ground over to your left, being curious about what's there. Inhale back to the middle and inhale center. Ah, yeah. Tilt head right. Gently turn the head up to the sky. Feel all the shifts in your neck required to do that action. And gently back to the middle. And then inhale back to center. Enjoy the freedom of your neck as you do these movements. So not forcing anything. Tilt your head left. And then look up. And center. And then bring your head back into center, center, center. And let's shrug our left shoulder so you get to isolate. Left shoulder goes up into the ear, and then slowly down. And then right, up, and then down. Use your inhale to bring both shoulders up, and then down. And let's do that again. Up. Use a full exhale to draw the shoulders down. Now make sure you move so that you can have movement around your arms, okay? So here my desk is in the way. And then you're going to take nice big arm circles. So stretch your arms out to the sides and circle them backwards. Nice big circles backwards. And then forwards. And then back to center. Come to sitting at your desk. Hands to the desk. Option 1 is doing this seated like this. So try it. Chaturanga, sitting at your desk. Lean your whole body forward. Keep the spine nice and long. Bow forwards, elbows bend, chest touches desk or hovers, and then come back. Option 1. Option 2, come to standing. If you're standing, make sure you get your chair out of the way. Take your hands wide, either sitting or standing. Lace your hands and walk your feet back. And bring your wrists underneath your shoulders or your shoulders over your wrists. And then we're going to bend our elbows towards the back of the room. Brace your abs, shoulders away from the ears. We're going to really push this desk away, and that keeps the shoulder blades on the back. And then you're going to bend the elbows towards the back of the room, touch the desk, and then straight up. And again. And keep going. If you want it harder, walk your feet back further, and then you have to lean forward more. If that's too much, walk your feet closer. You got one more. Choose either elbows go back behind you if that was your harder one, or if elbows out to the sides were harder, then do that one for your last one. Ready, go. Inhale, lower, and exhale, up. Walk your feet forward. Come up to standing if you're not there already. And we're going to do desk walkouts. Hands on the desk, like so. And then walk your hands forward. And then walk them back. Different ways to make this easier or harder. Keep going. Either you don't go as far, right? Or you take a step back, lean forward, and then walk forward and back. And keep going. So see how you need to use your abdominals here and obviously shoulders. Just a few more. How's this working for you? One more. If you did take your feet back, make sure that you have your feet a little further forward. Bhujangasana or Cobra, or actually more like an upward facing dog pose. You place your hands on your desk If this hurts your wrists, put any pressure on your hands, come onto fingertips like so. Otherwise, palms flat. Walk your feet back until you're in a plank, which means neutral spine, and shoulders over wrists. From here, chest open. Take your hips forward, lift the chest high, run through the chest, and then you might just look forward. You might do a deeper back bend, looking up at the ceiling if your heart gets there first. Throat open, head back, and then exhale, come to standing once more. Let's come to that seated position we began with. Once found, gently close your eyes. Scan your body again, starting with the feet, moving through the legs, the hips, the spine, the shoulders. We did a lot of work on the shoulders. Notice what they're telling you. What about the neck? We did some neck mobility. How is it feeling? How's your head? I can't wait to hear how this worked for you. So remember to let me know in the comments and click that like button because that lets me know I should do more content like this. Looking forward to seeing you again next time. Namaste.